are a few examples for using anecdotal records for reading conferences. This first example is just a handwritten narrative. It includes the dates of the conferences. They're rather close together. The name of the student, the behaviors that the student did during the conference, and next steps for the teacher. This is the same basic information on Post-it notes. These can be relocated to a notebook for long-term data keeping. And here's a table that was created on the computer. Again, you see same basic information with observation, teaching, and next steps. This table could be used for one student over time or for several different students in the class.